At Dryden Aqua, we don't follow industry standards. We define them. For decades, we've made millions of pools cleaner, safer, and more sustainable through science, innovation, and a different way of thinking. Today, we're redefining the way you live with your pool. Imagine a pool that thinks, that learns, that adapts, that talks to you, and one that, day after day, becomes more efficient and more economical. This is Space Satellite, the smartest pool monitoring and disinfection system ever engineered. Cloud-connected, powered by artificial intelligence. Space Satellite goes far beyond basic monitoring. It analyzes, it anticipates, it protects. Imagine having a technician in your plant room 24/7, 7 days a week. That's exactly what Space Satellite delivers. With continuous data analysis and predictive maintenance technology, Space Satellite learns the unique behavior of your pool and can detect anomalies before they become problems. This is the power of data and machine learning in action. Your technician receives actionable insights, knowing exactly what's happening, what to do, and when to act without even being there. No more stress, no more surprise breakdowns, no more last-minute emergencies. Just precise interventions, no disruptions, and complete peace of mind. Your pool stays clear, balanced, and protected at all times, always perfect and ready to swim. And this is just the beginning. Where other systems automate, Space Satellite thinks, it eliminates waste, it saves you money. Thanks to intelligent algorithms, it does more with less. Less chemicals, with adaptive self-learning dosing. Space Satellite analyzes each injection, monitors your pool's response, and adjusts accordingly, with precision, with care. The result? No overdosing, stable water balance, and zero waste. Less water, with instant leak detection and optimized automatic refills. Space Satellite regulates your pool's water level with remarkable accuracy, and even checks the weather. If rain is coming, it waits and saves. And if a leak appears, even one invisible to the eye, it detects it instantly and alerts your technician, before you notice, before it costs you. With Space Satellite, every drop, every dose, every action is optimized. Ready to go further? Meet Space Pro, the most advanced all-in-one pool control system in the industry. With 17 integrated relays, Space Pro can connect to every component of your pool system, unlocking the full potential of artificial intelligence to optimize performance and maximize cost savings. Pair Space Pro with BESCO valves to automate your filter backwashes, only when needed, with zero manual input. And when it rains, Space Pro can put excess water to use, cleaning your filter without wasting a single drop. Activate the Space Eco mode to automatically switch filtration to the bottom drain of your overflow pool when temperatures drop, stopping evaporation, preserving heat, and cutting energy costs for good. Or combine Space with the Daisy Plus system and dive into water of exceptional purity. So clear, so clean, you could almost drink it. With ultra-fine filtration down to 0.1 micron and up to 80% less chlorine than a traditional system. For a swimming experience unlike any other, safer, healthier, and more enjoyable for you and the people you love. Space does it all for a perfect pool and true peace of mind. Space. Intelligence for your pool by Dryden Aqua.